The trial of Vusimuzi Cat Matlala and 4 others has been paused, this to allow for a trial within a trial after alleged gunman Musa Kekana insisted that the state had collected some of its evidence against him unlawfully. He argues that the evidence should not be admissible in court.
Not only did he cooperate with the police and what followed after that, but he never made any confessions, so we only rely on 219 capital A, which we will submit was an admission made voluntarily by accused number 1.
Kekana was arrested in April 2024, and at that time it was in relation to the murder of Vereeniging-based engineer Aman Swart. He was later charged for the botched heads on Tebogo Thobejane, Seunkie Mokubung and Sibanyoni. The state insists that it followed the law during his arrest.
I herewith list my objections against the admissibility of the evidence obtained and as referred to supra. Point 1. My arrest was effected in contravention of Section 40 of the CPA. Point 2. My rights in terms of the Constitution and the CPA were not explained to me prior and or during my arrest, prior and or during the subsequent search and seizures in terms of the CPA as well as the CCA. Point 3. Any utterances and or information the state might allege to have made by me and or obtained from me are contested.
The state called its second witness, who was around during Kekana's initial arrest. The private security officer had been asked by police to look out for a car which was possibly involved in a Vereeniging-based murder.
Once I arrived, Captain Bella asked me to identify the occupants or to confirm if the occupants that have been detained by them are the same occupants that were in the I-20 earlier. I proceeded to the driver of the Vianu, who identified himself as Musa Kekana, and I could confirm by the build of his face and the mustard long sleeve shirt that it was the same driver as I noticed in the I-20.
The witness maintains that Kekana was wearing a mustard t-shirt with blood-like stains. He says he is the one who volunteered information to the police.
And he was also complaining that the SABC members they must take it easy, if I can put it like that, because he recently was in hospital and he's sick.
Kekana's legal counsel is expected to cross-examine the state's witness on Monday. Neria Hlakotsa, SABC News, Johannesburg.